Welcome to ResNexus. In this video, we will be going over how to add a discount to a reservation. From the grid, click on the reservation you'd like to add a discount to. Click on the arrow next to Extra, then select Discounts. Click the blue Add button. There are three options for how to include the discount. The first option is to discount a specific item. You can discount a unit, rental, retail item, or gift certificate. You have the option to discount the item by either a percentage or a dollar amount. The second option is to discount the reservation. This pulls a discount on each item. You can either do a percentage amount or dollar amount. Then select the boxes next to units, retail, and gift certificate to include it in the discount. The third option is to do a custom discount of a certain dollar amount. Put in the dollar amount and then uncheck the taxes that do not apply. After you have selected the discount type and filled out the corresponding information, put in the date the discount should apply and assign the discount type. Note that the default is set to trade. Click Save. Thank you for learning more about ResNexus.